Hi guys, first things first, we're gonna create our directories for our project. First, we're gonna make directory for our app. Then we're gonna create directory for our input datas. We're gonna call it test, or rather we're gonna call it input. Next, we're gonna create assets for our output data. Then we're gonna install ffmpeg using brew install ffmpeg. Okay, but first we need to install brew. Since brew is not yet installed, we're gonna install brew first using bin bash curl this, and we're just gonna press enter, and homebrew is now downloading and installing. We'll go back once this finished. Okay, so we're almost finished installing homebrew and we're good to go. We're gonna check our homebrew version by running this command. Okay, since we now have our homebrew, we're gonna brew install ffmpeg. So ffmpeg is written in C, so this is just the engine that will run the program that makes the videos detect the silence and cut it. But we're gonna use Python to orchestrate, so it's like Python is the commander and ffmpeg is the real engine that makes the work done. So we use homebrew to install because we need access to admin so that we have permission to edit the paths inside our Mac. So if we do not use homebrew, we can still install the ffmpeg, but we need to manually declare the process and put the paths along as we install. So since homebrew installed, homebrew will do the hard lifting for us installed ffmpeg as is, so that we can just easily call later ffmpeg. So we're gonna wait this until it's finished and we'll go back. Okay, so looking back, our ffmpeg is now installed. We're gonna check ffmpeg if installed. Gonna check the version. Okay, recognize option. Okay, single dash. Okay, we're good to go. ffmpeg installed. Okay, let's go. Okay, so since our ffmpeg installed, we're gonna put a video inside our test folder. So inside our silent scatter root directory, we're gonna go to test our input data and paste a sample video here. And we'll go back to our VS Code and we're gonna run a command called ffmpeg-i test sample. So since our name of the video, we're gonna run this. So what's this gonna do if this is successful, meaning ffmpeg can read and write, meaning it can input the data and make an output out of that input. Let's try this. Okay, we have a wrong. Let's try changing file extension. Let's go. Asset output outputs. We need to create another folder. Let's try again. Okay, so this is running. Okay, that took like 5 to 6 seconds to run. Okay, so we have our sample input data here and it was outputted, meaning ffmpeg can successfully read and write our video files. That's a good sign.